A federal judge in Los Angeles has once again blocked an effort by Trump administration to end a long-standing protection for immigrant children held in U.S. custody. On Friday, Judge Dory Gay ruled against the government's latest attempt to terminate the Flores Settlement Agreement, a legal safeguard that has been in place for nearly 3 decades. The Flores Agreement, first established in 1997, came after years of lawsuits of widespread mistreatment of migrant children in detention during 1990s. It set out basic standards of care, safe shelter, proper food and water, access to medical services, toilets, sinks, and adequate supervision. Importantly, it also limited how long children could be held by U.S. border authorities, no more than 72 hours, before being transferred to the Department of Health and Human Services. Of the hearing, government lawyers argue that the agreement is outdated, pointing to billions of funding for new immigration facilities and claiming that new standards already meet or even exceed the Flores requirements. But Judge Gee was not convinced. She said this hearing felt like deja vu, reminding the court that Trump administration had already tried to end Flores back in 2019 and failed. In her written order, she stated, and I quote, "There is nothing new under the sun regarding the facts of the law," end of quote. Lawyers for the administration argue that the Flores settlement makes it difficult to expand family detention facilities. One government attorney, Tiberius Davis, claimed that congressional funding gives the administration authority to detain families indefinitely, but he admitted that under Flores, that power is essentially blossom. Children and gets pushed back, presenting troubling evidence that the government is still violating Flores today. In May alone, Customs and Border Protection held in 46 children for longer than a week. 6 of those children were detained for 2 weeks and 4 of 19 days. Data from March and April showed more than 200 children kept in custody beyond the 72-hour limit, including toddlers held for over 20 days. The government has been seeking to expand detention capacity with new facilities, including one in Florida nicknamed Alligator Alcatraz. That center is already facing lawsuits over alleged violations of detainees' constitutional rights. Judge Gay has not yet ruled on another request from advocates to expand independent monitoring for border facilities. Right now, outside inspections are only allowed at certain centers in El Paso and the Rio Grande Valley. But with evidence showing prolonged confinement across the region, lawyers are urging for broader oversights.